it's important to remove an emergency fund. Just put out some money by the side. What do we say emergency funds are? That your living expenses, the money that you need to survive on if anything happens, like if you have an emergency. And this is really important so that you don't go and save your money or invest your money in a channel that is supposed to return after 3 months, and then 1 month into it you have an emergency and you need to remove money. You now go and start liquidating the money that is supposed to give you your returns in 3 months. By then you start paying charges and fees for breaking, the plan and the bonds that you have planned and set in. So to do this, to avoid this, please put some money away as an emergency fund or as a go-to fund. You don't necessarily need, and this is not your expense fund. It's not your expense fund. It's important that you know how much you are spending every day, every month, every week, so that when you now know this money, you know what your running expense is. Just like companies and businesses have their running expense, you as an individual, you need to know how much your running expense is, so that you have removed this money that you can leave in your bank account, right? Then you now have the other ones that you now have your emergency fund that is left separately. Then you can now go ahead to start making investments, so that if you need an emergency that is not calculated in your expense fund, and it is very, very important, then you can now go to your emergency fund and take money from there and not from your investments that you have done.